Hello, hi, my name is Khanyisa Mhlongo. Welcome to my page. I'm Khanyisa Mhlongo of khanyisamhlongo.com. Today I want to talk to you about how to use Facebook to advertise your business so that you can reach more people and grow your business a lot faster. Is that exciting? I'm doing this video from Limpopo. Let me know where you're doing you're watching it from. So I've recorded it in Limpopo. Yes, I'm on holiday. It's December. Okay, so maybe let me start with a question. Are you advertising your business at this point in time? Are you using any sort of advertising to grow your business, to reach more people, or not? Let me know if you are advertising your business, any kind of advertising. Comment at the comment section with a 1. Say, yes, I'm advertising, or no, I'm not advertising. So if you're not advertising, say no. If you're advertising, say yes. Because I want to say that if you are not advertising, basically, and you would like to advertise, maybe that's what you also can say, that I would love to advertise, to start advertising. It's got lots of benefits. It means you're going to reach more people. You're going to be able to get exposure for your business opportunity or for your product, and you'll be able to get more yeses a lot quicker. Because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for people who will say yes to our business opportunities or our products that we are promoting, or whatever it is that you're promoting. So now there's different kind of advertising. You can use newspaper, you can use pamphlets, you can use TV if you've got the budget. You can use radio, but all those things for network marketers, actually, they are not very viable. Most companies do not allow those kind of things, but most network marketing businesses, they do allow that you can use social media. I like social media for the mere fact that you can actually it's cleared the playing field. You don't need a big budget. You do not need fancy equipment. You don't need an advertising agency. Even you as an individual, you can advertise, and you can reach a lot more people with a video, with a post, or with even a podcast. You can reach a lot more people, which is super, super exciting. Now, I want to share a personal story. For about a year, I've got a blog that I spoke about where I said for a year, I ran a Facebook page and I was not advertising. During that year, I had about 300 people following my page. 12 months, full 12 months, 300 people. Less than 300, if I remember well. I closed that page. That's why I don't have all the details. It was such a flop. The second thing is I had one inquiry. I promise you, one person inquired in that whole year, and I sold zero, nothing. I was leading with product. It was a product page. Now, these days, I use paid advertising. I advertise my business, and I get inquiries literally on a daily basis. In fact, if I don't get an inquiry, I get so worked up. If by the evening I don't have any inquiry, I'm like, what is going on? I go and check if the advert is delivering, if it's delivering properly, it's delivering to the right market, and all those things. So imagine what you can do with your business if you just took a little a budget out of your business to promote your business. So this is going to be a show and tell business. I'm going to share with you my screen. Let's share this one. It's my Facebook page. This only works on your business page. That's why I'm always saying build a business page, a business fan page, because you can't do this on your personal profile. Now, we've spoken about this, that you build your business page, and then you must also identify your target market, because when you're advertising, you want to advertise to the right people. Have you seen, even big companies, when they advertise to the right people. They make sure that certain things that they're advertising, it's advertised when people who are their target market would be watching the TV. So they'll advertise things for kids when the parents are watching, or things that are sports related when there's sports and stuff like that, basically. Yeah. So you want to make sure that your advert reaches the right people. So here on my page, it's business coach Khanyisa Mhlongo, at coach Khanyisa Mhlongo. That's how you can search for it. If you scroll down, it's got home, about, videos, blah, blah, blah. If you scroll down on that left side, there's various ways where you can get this. There's something that says promote. And then it says manage promotions, and it's got 2 there. So I've got 2 promotions that I'm running that I can manage. But now it says promote. So if you promote, you can click that. How would you like to grow your business? Facebook already asks you. You can create an an ad, creating an ad helps you more, helps get you more of the business results you want, which is very true. I totally agree. You can promote your send message button, meaning that people will send you messages. Imagine people reaching out to you. This is, guys, attraction marketing at its best. You advertise and then people reach out to you to say, what are you doing? What are you talking about? Can I get it? Now, which means that you're only talking to people who are already pre-qualified because they've opted. They have said to you that they want to talk to you. You're not chasing people. It's people who are coming to you, which is awesome. You can promote your page. This is when you want to get more likes, more people liking your page and raising their hand and say, yes, I want to hear what you have to say. You can promote your learn more button. So that's where people, for example, on my learn more button, I've got a link to my website. So when people say learn more, it takes them to my website. Or you can get more website visitors. And what Facebook does, the reason they are so different because they optimize the delivery to people who they know that they will click. They are more likely to click on the link, for example. Or you can get more leads. This is where you want to capture leads, where people can give you their name, their number, and maybe their email address. Does that make sense? Yes. Okay, cool. So that's what you can do. Let's do this one. Let's promote the page. You want to grow the audience. Now, you can do a whole lot of other things, but quickly, you can, it says single image. If you click here, it gives you video, slideshow, whatever else. We'll go with an image. You'll go with an image for my cover, basically. And you can use a new one. If you browse library, you get a new image, for example. So I'm going to use the existing one that I already have on my cover. And then it says, I coach network marketers. I coach and mentor network marketers and home-based business owners to build their businesses. So whatever I've got there, it's too much because Facebook says I can only do 90 characters and I've got more. So it means I need to reduce it. So I can go there and say, rather, let's connect. So I've cut it, I've reduced it. Now it's 81 of 90. So it will show all of that. This is how it's going to look like. Okay. And then very important, this is where we spoke about targeting. You want your advert to be seen by people who are your target market. By now, you should have a target market for your opportunity and target market for your product. If you do not have, I encourage you to go back and read the blog post on kanyisamflango.com that says how to get more of your prospects to say yes. I think that's how I called it, because it teaches you the step-by-step of how to identify your target market. Or you can watch the video. I've got a video here on this page, on this Facebook page, and I've got a blog on the website. Now, there are various options. You can target the people that you choose through targeting. You can, your audience can be the people that you choose through targeting, which is what I recommend. Or you can do custom audience, or you can do, those are my custom audience, or a whole lot of other things. So let's do this one. You want this one. Let's say gender. We've already been through this on that video. I'm gonna run through it quickly. We want women, women between 20 to 40, if that is your target market, for example. So let's say 45. Actually, we want them a bit older. 25, 26. Where are these people? You can do it anywhere. You can put wherever you want. I'm gonna put South Africa. But if you are operating in a company, for example, that operates in over 160 countries, like the company that I work with, why would you want to limit your business to South Africa? You can go anywhere in the world. Basically, you can have people in Australia, in wherever, Botswana, and everywhere, like your page and do business with them. And then what other interest are you looking for? Maybe you're looking for people who are looking for additional income, extra income. They will do extra income. Do we have extra income? Okay. Additional income. No, I'm not getting that. Income. Okay, passive income. We're looking for people who are interested in passive income. Click that, and you can add a whole lot of other things, but it already tells me that the size of this market is 10 million people that I'm looking at. You can add a whole lot of other interests that you want to add. Play around. It says it's too specific. Okay. That's the other thing, the nice thing about Facebook. It tells you that it's too specific. So maybe let's change it. Let's make it all men and women. Has it changed? Yep. When I said men and women, it's changed it now to, it says your audience is good. So at the initially, this speedometer was on the red. Now it's right here in the middle. And then you can save and I can promote. The other thing that you also want to do is the budget. This is what actually I want to talk about. Now, Facebook, if you're in South Africa, it charges 10 rands a day to be able to promote. It's not a lot of money to build your business. If you do it on a continuous basis for the month, it's about 300 bucks a day. You'll be able to reach a lot of people. So here on a daily budget, it says 74. I don't want 74, I want 10 bucks. So that's what I'll spend. And you can choose the number of days that you want. You want the advert to run until when, or you let it run forever. So this one will run it for 14 days, for example. It will finish on the 10th. I would have spent 140. And then you will obviously need to load your details. When you in your bank details, your card details, that's where you would be able to be debited. And when you've done that, you can say promote. Now, one of the other things that I did not promote my other page, it was fear of loading my banking details here. But I want to actually tell you that that fear was unfounded, because the past year that I've been using this, I've never had problems. I get debited on the day that we've agreed with Facebook, the amount that we've agreed on. And yeah, so the fear was unfounded. And I've seen lots of positive results. So that is that, guys. I'm not going to promote this. This was for demonstration. I'm going to cancel this ad. But that is how you can grow your business and be able to reach more people. All the best. Hope you found value in this. If you found value, you can, in fact, share this with someone, or like the video or comment on the video. Now, I've gone back to the screen, so I've stopped sharing. But what I also wanted to say is that this evening, I'm about to get on a call to have one of my ads reviewed by the company that I work with, the mentorship company that I work with, because it looks at what you teaches you how to put the adverts, what to say, how to target, and all those things, which is an awesome benefit. So I'm gonna get on a call to have one of my adverts reviewed to see why it's performing the way it's performing and how to read the matrices, because there's also a way where you can read how your advert is performing, which is awesome. And I want to encourage you, if you want to start advertising on Facebook, it's for as little as 10 bucks a day. And you can and be able to learn how to be able to do it properly, because you can be doing it and be doing it all wrong. I want to encourage you to click on the link that I've got on this video, or you can just go to kanyisamhlongo.com/AMF. Okay, which stands for Attraction Marketing Formula, AMF, and click on that link and get onto that mailing list. You'll be able to start learning some of these things that can grow your business and take it to the next level. Hope you found value. Otherwise, I want you to wish you happy holidays. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. It will still be this year, yeah. So I'll see you in the next video this year. If you don't watch any of my videos this year, I'll see you next year. Bye-bye.